the mom took the kid's new toys out and kept trying to distract the kid with Christmas presents from Grandma. When we landed, another woman decided to pipe in and compliment the mom on her patience and handling the situation so well. But she, as a mom herself, understood because it's so hard to travel when they are so young. Not going to lie, I rolled my eyes so hard that even with the mask on, it was clear I was in disagreement. She asked me why I'm making the face, and I responded that since she asked, I, and probably most others, don't think the mom handled the situation well at all. We've all had almost no sleep. It's a hard enough flight to take without the new protocols and no sleep. I then asked why she had to bring her kid to Europe in the first place, which is probably not a good idea, even during a normal year when he's that young. Some shouting from the mom and her newfound friend ensued, but I just shook my head and took the first opportunity to head for the exit. I'm usually not snippy with people, but hours of non-stop screaming got under my skin. Am I the jerk? Edit. In case you're wondering, I had to make an in-person submission with a regulator in the U.S., which requires being physically present in the country. Thank you, American bureaucracy, unwavering, even during these wonderful times. Edit 2. I'm having a blast talking to all the entitled parents here. A few things that I know will enrage you, but truth hurts, as you know. 1. Traveling with a small kid when you know, A, the pressure changes will cause the kid significant discomfort, and B, you'll affect everyone around you is extremely selfish. It's intentionally hurting your kid and making others miserable, and it's 100% your choice that led to the situation. 2. People will judge you for your selfishness. If you feel ashamed of your kid being disruptive, good, you should be. 3. No one owes you special accommodations because you have a kid. It's your choice, live with it. Others are entitled to feeling unhappy about the consequences of your entitlement. 4. Toddlers have no business on a plane. They have no concept of that. So if your excuse is last chance of seeing someone, as folks have posted, leave the kid with the other parent, or bring them with you. But then, don't you dare complain others are unhappy with your choice. See number 3. With this, I'm peacing out, as I know I'm heading for the front page, and also a ban from the mods from arguing in the comments. Happy New Year to all you're the jerks. Well, what do you think? Is OB the jerk or not? Please let us know. Oh, I can't wait to read the comments we get about this. Want me to move something without tying it down first? You sure? Okay then. Meet Bob. Bob is someone I know. Bob is a great guy. He has worked hard to support his family his whole life. I admire Bob because he can fix a lot of things on his cars, house, etc. He's almost entirely self-taught and has a lot of common sense despite not being book smart, which is why I was astounded that he had me do this. Bob can also be stubborn as heck and gets to be a real jerk when he is stubborn. Bob's wife found a beautiful roll-top desk at a yard sale. She had wanted one for years. Bob asked me to drive to the yard sale with my pickup. Sure thing, Bob. I don't mind helping you out a bit. Bob's wife was excited. Her eyes were gleaming. It was huge, really heavy, somewhere around 250 pounds, and old. It was also a very nice desk. So Bob and I and the seller get it manhandled into my pickup bed. I grab straps, and Bob snaps at me. We don't have time for that. Let's get it back to the house. I know darn well it isn't going to hold still, and I tell him so. Yes, it will. It's a big, heavy desk. Drive really slowly with your hazards on. Now me, who actually paid attention to physics in high school, and you, dear readers, know where this is going. I protested. Let's lay it down or strap it. Bob overruled me. Bob's wife said something. No, he didn't want the desk marred up by straps. I said something again. Bob got upset and yelled, Forget the straps. Let's go. Just drive like I said. I said forget it. I did exactly what he said, despite it being my truck. After all, Bob had done a lot of free work on my pickup for me. I was doing him a favor, so whatever. Let him be stubborn. We left the yard sale at 10 miles per hour with a dozen or so people staring at us, slack-jawed. Bob and his wife were in the Corvette behind me, so I was doing exactly what he said, driving really slow with my hazard lights blinking. We made it the few blocks to the main drag that will take us most of the way to Bob's house. I get in the turn lane to wait. The desk starts to shift. The turn lane turns green, and I edge out almost 5 to 7 miles per hour. The top heavy desk tilted, started to shift, when the wheels on one side came up. Nothing you do at that point is going to work to stop it from tilting. Physics wins again. Bob's wife's new desk was destroyed in the middle of Powers Boulevard in Colorado Springs one warm spring day in 1990.